4 reasons as to why you should never regret a day in your life. Number 1, the good days will bring you happiness. Then, number 2, bad days brings you experience. Then also the worst days, which is number 3, will teach you lessons. And lastly, number 4, the best days will give you memories. This is why you should never regret a day in your life. All days, as long as you're still alive, in one way or the other, comes good days. Learn to take something positive from each day you wake up into. Bad, good, best, worst. They're all having something to benefit from.